This is 2-liter steam cleaner. First of all, we connect the power cord, and then we switch on. The red light would light up and showing the temperature here in the screen. At this moment, the green light will turn on. It means heating is in process. Pressure gauge will show the reading going up to 6 bar. When the pressure is up to 6 bar, it turns to the orange light. That means ready. Steam is ready to be used. When the steam is full and the ready light is on, you can use the spray gun with touch sensitive button. While the pressure is dropping, green light will turn on and the heating will bring the pressure again to the maximum. Another way we can do to fix the stand here, then step on the pedal and you can use faucet to hold a small piece for 10 to 15 minutes. And in the eco mode, it also would heat up. The green light would keep the heating process, and the pressure will go to the 4 bar, then will not go further to 6 bar. It would keep about 4 bar because this is called eco mode. To release the eco mode, we just press again. It will resume to the normal mode and the pressure will keep up to 6 bar. It's very low water level inside the can, so we give out the signal like the blue flash and the ERRH. So we must do is switch off and then wait the machine to cool down and then use the funnel to add the water again. First step, switch off. To speed up cooling down the can, we can gently take off the cap. Make sure the steam pressure is completely out. Take off the filler cap carefully. Now, fill the can, cool down, and it's safe to add the water. But just distill water because it will reduce the dirt formation inside the can. And we add the water gradually. Close the filler cap and then press, and then the casing finally with the force, and it's firm. Now water is inside the pan, you can switch off again. When the water is inside the pan, then will not have the ERRH showing in the screen, and the green light will appear. That means heating is resumed and all the functions will be as normal. Both are still turned on, so we must do a procedure to reset. Take off this black cap, press into the lever, green light is on, then the heating power is resumed.